Markets dropped early when the US budget didn't pass, but SPY rallied all day and closed strong. Let's go! In this video, I'll talk about what happened, the trades I made, and the setups I'm watching for next week. Trading in crazy markets isn't easy, so stay tuned to see how I handled it and how you can too. The market had a rough start after Congress failed to agree on a budget. Big names like Elon Musk and Donald Trump spoke out against it, which caused SPY to open lower. But the market recovered, rallying all day and closing strong. With Christmas on Wednesday, there's not much happening on the economic calendar, and trading volumes are likely to stay low. First up, Palantir Technologies. This stock gave a signal late Thursday, just an hour and 30 minutes before the market closed. I didn't feel comfortable jumping in that close to the bell, so I waited for Friday morning. Once the market settled, I entered at only a slightly higher price than Thursday's signal. I protected the trade when nearing the 6% take profit and sold as it soared into the close. Stocks don't jump 8.5% every day, so locking in profits made sense while on the way up. Make sure to join our Discord for real-time updates when signals fire. I always share what I'm doing so you don't miss out. Next is DraftKings. This stock signaled too, but had some selling pressure right after it fired. So I waited and got in at a better price. It started forming a bull flag pattern, and I'm hoping for a breakout on Monday due to Congress passing a funding bill to prevent a government shutdown. If you're not subscribed to King Trading yet, now's the time. These updates can help you stay ahead. Now let's talk about Nvidia. When this stock signaled, I didn't wait. It's rare to see it drop 15% like it has done in the last month. And with AI still growing, it's not like companies are done buying chips. Nvidia spent the day forming a bull flag, and I'm glad I took this trade. What do you think? Was this a smart move, or would you have done it differently? Let me know in the comments. Looking ahead, Supermicro Computer is on my radar. I'm keeping an eye on this one because of all the negative press it's been getting. It has retraced past the 50% Fibonacci level, spiking lower. It could drop a bit more into the golden pocket around the 65% retrace level. But if it starts to reverse here, this bull flag setup could have significant upside potential. Another one to watch is IonQ. Quantum computing stocks have been doing well, and this one is no different. Even if this one doesn't signal, I tend to buy it on pullbacks and sell when it rallies. Managing trades by focusing on the risk you're comfortable with often works better than going all in. This way you can handle almost any volatile stock by setting a stop loss that matches what you're willing to risk. And on that note, thanks for joining, as that's all I have for now until the next video, and we'll see you then.